So in one of my YouTube shorts, I taught how to get Logic Pro for free using Apple's Logic Pro 90-day free trial. So go to Apple's page, look for Logic Pro, and you're gonna see here you can download the free trial. This is the free trial tab. And in the installation notes, you're gonna see it says if you're using a previous version of Logic Pro trial, you'll be able to use this version free for an additional 90 days. So those keywords there is previous version of the Logic Pro trial. So not the actual Logic Pro, but just the trial. So if you had an older version of Logic Pro, the trial, you can download this new one here. So once you go through all the steps for the installation, and then it'll say the installation was successful, then you're gonna go into your applications folder or your application dock and then open up Logic Pro. So since I've already downloaded the Logic Pro sounds and all that, I'm not gonna have to do that. What it is gonna do is bring up all your plugins, as you guys can see here. But you might have all these popping up, especially from GarageBand plugins, and then when you actually get into the screen, you'll have this again. The Logic Pro trial will expire after 90 days. So every time you open up Logic Pro, it's going to show that. And then also to note that the Logic Pro trial and Logic Pro are the same thing. This is just the trial, so they just have a clock on the software. So if you guys want to try it, save some money, go to Apple, try their Logic Pro for free. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.